Hello friends, welcome to AI Hustle Hub. Money touches every part of our lives, from the food we eat, the house we live in, the clothes we wear, to the dreams we want to achieve. Yet, so many people struggle with money because they never learned how to manage it wisely. In this video, I'm going to share with you 20+ smart money tips that will help you save more, spend wisely, and grow your wealth over time. Some of these tips might sound simple, but trust me, if you actually apply them, they can completely change your financial future. So grab a notebook because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with a money plan that works. Part 1. Build a strong financial foundation. 1. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills or shopping, set aside at least 10-20% of your income into savings or investments. This ensures you prioritize your future, not just your present. 2. Track every dollar. Use apps like Mint, Notion, or a simple spreadsheet to record expenses. Awareness equal to control. 1. Differentiate needs versus wants. A need: food, rent, transport. A want: latest phone, eating out daily, luxury clothes. Ask yourself before buying, do I really need this or do I just want it? 1. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade your lifestyle every time your salary increases. Put the extra money into savings and investments first. Part 2. Protect yourself from financial stress. 1. Build an emergency fund. Keep 3-6 months of expenses in a separate account. Emergencies will come. Be prepared. 1. Get the right insurance. Health, life, and basic asset insurance like home or car protect you from sudden shocks. Insurance is not an expense, it's protection. 1. Say no to bad debt. Credit card debt, payday loans, and high-interest borrowing kill wealth. Only borrow for things that bring long-term value like education, business, or assets. Part 3. Grow your wealth. 1. Start investing early. Even small investments grow big thanks to compound interest. Example: $100 invested monthly at 10% annual return grows to nearly $200,000 in 30 years. 1. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one basket. Spread across stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and even digital assets if you understand them. 1. Take advantage of compounding. Reinvest your profits instead of spending them. Let your money make money. 1. Think long-term, not short-term. Wealth is built in decades, not days. Don't chase quick wins, build steady habits. Part 4. Smarter spending. 1. Use the 24-hour rule. Before buying non-essential items, wait 24 hours. Most impulsive desires disappear. 1. Cut hidden expenses. Check subscriptions, unused gym memberships, or apps you don't use. Cancel what doesn't add value. 1. Cook more, eat out less. Not only healthier, but cooking at home can save thousands yearly. 1. Buy quality, not quantity. Cheap products wear out fast. Quality lasts longer and saves money in the long run. 1. Use cash or debit for daily expenses. It's easier to overspend with credit cards. Paying with real money makes you more conscious. Part 5. Increase your income. 1. Build multiple streams of income. Start freelancing, side hustles, online businesses, or passive income ideas. Relying only on one salary is risky. 1. Invest in skills. Learn skills in demand. Coding, design, marketing, content creation, public speaking. Skills increase your earning potential. 1. Turn hobbies into income. Love writing, photography, gaming, or teaching. Turn them into online income streams. 1. Network with the right people. Opportunities often come through connections. Build relationships that inspire growth. Part 6. Develop the right money mindset. 1. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Social media makes people feel pressured to spend. Remember, wealth is silent, debt is loud. 1. Be patient with wealth. It's better to grow slow and steady than to risk everything for fast money. 1. Focus on value, not just money. The more value you create in people's lives, the more money you'll attract. 1. Keep learning about money. Read finance books, watch educational videos, and never stop upgrading your money knowledge. 1. Remember, money is a tool. Money itself doesn't bring happiness. It gives you freedom, options, and peace of mind. Conclusion. Smart money management is not about being rich today. It's about being free tomorrow. If you apply even 5-10 of these tips, your financial life will completely change. Start small, be consistent, and think long-term. That's the secret to financial success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AI Hustle Hub for more powerful money tips and financial freedom strategies. Your journey to financial independence starts today.